From the Millersville University Weather Center, this is student meteorologist Nico Amritas
Becky Butterfield.
And Ian Borgel.
with a short-term forecast and video discussion issued on Monday, October 7th, 2024. We're taking a look outside. We've got really beautiful and pleasant conditions outside. The sun is out, and it's so nice to see some better weather in comparison to last week.
Yeah, and like Nico had said, just taking a look outside, finally that sun is coming out.
Yep.
This past week and this past weekend, we just had those really dreary conditions. So now we're actually seeing this nice, beautiful fall-like weather.
Moving on to the daily climatology, today's high is 72 with a normal high around 70, and the record was set in 1941 of a high of 91. This morning's low was 59 with a normal low around 46, and the record of 28 was set in 1917 and as low as 1923. Moving on to the John Wright restaurant looking across the Susquehanna River. We can see a very blue sky with a couple clouds and stuff, and pleasant weather all around.
Just taking a look at the visible satellite, you can see those clouds really clearing out of our region, and that's a big reason why the pleasant weather should continue and the sun will remain shining. And so taking a look at the European model for 8 p.m. Later today, you can see that high pressure remaining in our region coming from the Ohio Valley. And you also have those northwesterly winds from Canada entering our region, and that will be giving us some breezy conditions and also some cooler weather. And for 2 o'clock tomorrow, you can see the high pressure remains in place, and the pleasant weather should continue. There's no precipitation to talk about whatsoever, and just really beautiful weather overall. And that will continue on a Wednesday. This is looking at the European model for 2 o'clock on Wednesday, and like I said, those pleasant conditions will remain, and the beautiful conditions outside will just promote really great weather overall.
And taking a look now at our short-term forecast, tonight expect mainly clear and cooler conditions out there with a low of around 46. Tuesday, expect mostly sunny and seasonable weather with a high of around 68. And Wednesday, again, just those really breezy and pleasant conditions out there with mainly sunshine, maybe a few passing clouds or two, with a high again of around 68.
Well, that's a wrap with this week's short-term forecast. Tune back in tomorrow for the latest edition. Until then, enjoy the sunshine and the cooler weather.